Last week, I've attended the Arabian Hotel Investment Conference. My takeaway are three essentially. Number one, Saudi Arabia, the greatest opportunity on the planet, the largest and the fastest growing hotel pipeline of the global hotel industry, where sustainability as part of the mission, and above all, Saudi Arabia have one of the greatest opportunity, the opportunity to set the benchmark for what a qualitative hospitality product should be. The second biggest topic is sustainability. Sustainability is top priority now for the hotel industry, and as the chairman of Accor Group, Sebastian Bazin, mentioned it, Accor now is committed to the Hospitality Sustainability Alliance, where all the key major players in the industry are coming together to commit on the sustainability agenda. Alongside that one, we saw new brands coming to the market, like Envy Lodges, so experiential travel combined with sustainability and responsible tourism. Last but not least, the Middle East is the laboratory of innovation. Any new brands, any new product, any new system is tested here in the Middle East, and that set the benchmark of what is being rolled out on a global scale. There's a testimony of the level of thinking, innovation, and the size of the market that we are living in. Whether it is Dubai, whether it is Riyadh, Manama, Doha, Amman, Cairo, this shows that the Middle East is a global powerhouse for the hospitality industry. This is my three takeaways from 3 wonderful days at the Hotel Investment Conference. Huge congratulations to Dubai Tourism for enabling key people and so many mindsets to come together. Congratulations to Jumeirah for the fantastic venue and the service. And last but not least is congratulations to Jonathan Woosley at Bench Events and the Bench Event team for such an incredible organization and speaker lined up. Brilliant, well done. It was finally time to get together in the same room and discussing very important topics.